Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2019 CSAT question number 36 from question paper series A. X, Y and Z are three contestants in a race of 1000 meter. Assume that all run with different uniform speeds. X gives Y a start of 40 meter and X gives Z a start of 64 meter. If Y and Z are to compete in a race of 1000 meter, how many meters start will Y gives to Z? That is what we have to find. So here there are three contestants X, Y and Z. They are competing in a 1000-meter race. This is the starting point and this is the finishing point. But again it is said that here we have to assume that all run with different uniform speeds. Uniform speeds means speed is not changing by time. Then X give Y a start of 40 meter. Here we can see X give Y a start of 40 meter. Then X give Z a start of 64 meter. That means here Y has to run only 960 meter and Z has to run only 936 meter, while X will run 1000 meter. So why they have given like this? Because here we have to take one more assumption that all these three contestants will finish the race at the equal time. They will reach the finishing point at the same time. So we know that that is time taken by X for 1000 meter equal to time taken by Y for 960 meter. That is equal to time taken by Z for 936 meter. We know that speed equal to distance by time. From here we get time equal to distance divided by speed. So we can write time equal to distance. The distance run by X equal to 1000 meter, and I am considering speed of X as small x. So 1000 by X we get the time, which is equal to the distance run by Y divided by the speed of Y, then distance run by Z divided by speed of Z. So all these three are equal. So from here we can write as Y equal to 960 divided by 936. I am taking only this part of this. 960 by Y equal to 936 by Z. So we can write, I am taking Y this right side and 936 by Z in the left side. Then we get 960 divided by 936 into Z equal to Y. This is equation number 1. Then let's see the next statement. If Y and Z are to compete in a race of 1000 meter, how many meters start will Y give to Z? So here this is the starting point and this is the finishing point. Here Y is running for 1000 meter and Y has to give some start for Z, so that both will reach the finishing point at the same time. So what is that start which Y should give to this Z? That is what we have to find here. So first we find the distance run by this Z, then we deduct this distance from the 1000, we get the start given by Y to Z. So here we know time taken by both Y and Z would be same. So 1000 divided by distance traveled by Y divided by speed of Y equal to D divided by speed of Z. That is small z. This is the time taken by both Y and Z to reach the finishing line. Then from here we got Y equal to 960 divided by 936 into Z. So we are just replacing this y with 960 divided by 936 into z. This is small z. Then we get, after simplifying this is 1000 divided by 960 divided by 936 into z. So this we can rewrite as 1000 into 936 divided by 960 into z equal to d by z. So this z and gone. Then after simplifying this we get d equal to 975. That means in this race d has to run 975 meter. So the start given by the y equal to 1000 minus 975, we get 25 meter. Our answer is option B, 25. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.